Axopar have been at the forefront of pioneering technology for a number of years now. They've become very renowned in their field for creating fast, efficient and fun to drive boats, and today we're very lucky to be on the first electric prototype Axopar 25. My name is Joe Fox from the team at Eyachts. Hope you enjoyed this quick video on this awesome new product, a collaboration between Evoy, Electric Outboards and Axopar. Now, Evoy are a Norwegian company at the forefront of pioneering the electric revolution in the boating market. So it's very cool to see this collaboration between Axopar from Finland and Evoy from Norway. Inside the cowling here, it's obviously not an Evoy cowling, it's a very recognizable cowling. The Evoy motor, once it reaches a production level, will have its own shape and look quite cool on the back of the Axopar 25. This is a 300 horsepower electric motor. It does have the capacity to go much higher, even up to 600 horsepower, but the battery capacity and the systems involved can't quite handle that amount of draw on the battery to the electric motor. So this can cruise at about 25 knots for about 26 nautical miles at 300 horsepower, which is pretty good. For this electric motor, you'd be able to go somewhere, spend the day on board and come back. So really you can do a whole day on board with a 26 nautical mile range. The 25 we're on at the moment has the multi-storage compartment. Inside here is the ever important battery, charging and power management system. As we have discussed, this is in a prototype phase, so we imagine that this will change quite a bit. You know, by the time that this product reaches production in 2024, I imagine it will look quite different, but it's pretty cool to see these massive batteries. So underneath the black floor here that you can see, we've got a 126 kilowatt hour battery. Now that's pretty big. The charger is here and the battery management systems control box here. So it's a cool thing to see. We've not seen this on a boat of this size yet. I'm sure we're going to see it a lot more. And it's very cool to see that Axopar are at the forefront of this electric revolution. Now, looking in here, you will see two very traditional looking AGM batteries. These are essentially house batteries just to power the navigation gear, the running lights, the systems, bilge pumps, all the things that a standard boat would have domestic batteries for. Nice. So just behind me and on the inside wall of the port gunnel, we have the ever important charging port. Now this is a CCS Type 2 charging port found on a lot of the electric cars in Europe and Australia. You will recognize that from electric car charging stations, but nice to know that it's a universal socket being installed on this product. Moving forward, we won't look throughout the boat in detail. We've done the Axopar 25 before, but we will pay attention to the navigation system here. At the helm station, we have twin 10-inch Next 4 navigation screens. Now this is compatible with the Evoy system. So on the right-hand one here, we have the navigation, the charts, all your safety things for navigating the boat safely. On the left-hand one, this is set up with all the electrical data from the battery, consumption of the engine, range and your current speed and your rate of discharge. So all your electronics are displayed very neatly on there. We can see the battery at 98%. So in terms of economy on this vessel, bearing in mind this is a prototype, so we do expect figures to change over the next few years. We're doing about 26 nautical miles at the most efficient cruise speed of 25 knots. If you're doing 8 knots, you're pushing a lot more water, you're actually got around the same range. So you're much better off doing 25 knots, you get there much quicker, everyone's much less bored, and you get your maximum range. If you drop back to 5 knots, you're fully off the plane. The boat is cruising in full displacement mode. Your range then goes up to 67 nautical miles, but it would be a very boring 67 nautical miles. But that gives you an idea of how the power is used and how this hull works best with the electric motor. All in all, this is a very exciting collaboration between Evoy and Axopar. We do hope it continues, and it'll obviously, throughout the prototype stage, get better and better and better. And we can't wait to bring this to our Australian clients. Hopefully 2024 is the launch date for the serial production on the Evoy system. So thank you for watching. We do hope you enjoyed this sneak peek into what the future holds. So my name is Joe Fox from the team at Eyachts. If you did like this video, do like and subscribe, and we'd be happy to show you more Axopar and hopefully the future related content.